Want to bring geographic data to life with stunning visualization? Today I'm going to show you how to master Excel map charts, an essential tool for anyone working with geographical data. Hi, I'm Mihir Kamdar, your tutor at officetechskill.com, where we specialize in helping professionals upgrade their tech skills to enhance productivity and efficiency in the workplace. You can download the file from the description. The topics we are going to cover in this video will start off with discussing the definition and the purpose of the map charts. We'll discuss the benefits of using the map charts. We'll create the map charts in Excel. We'll customize the map chart. We'll use built-in geographic data type. We'll use the chart editing features. And finally, we'll discuss the tips of using the map charts effectively. A Excel map chart is a data visualization tool that displays the data values on a geographic map, allowing users to quickly identify patterns, trends, and relationships across different geographical regions. Map charts are particularly useful when you want to visualize data with a geographic context such as sales by country, population density, or resource distribution. You can also identify regional patterns or outliers or anomalies that may require further investigation or action. It also helps in communicating insights effectively to stakeholders and decision makers, as map charts are intuitive and visually appealing. There are several benefits of using the map charts. The first one is the geographic context. Map charts provides clear and meaningful context for your data by displaying it in a familiar geographic layout, making it easier to your audience to understand and interpret the information. The second one is the pattern recognition. By using colors, shading, symbols, or to represent data values, map chart allows you to quickly identify regional patterns, trends, and outliers that might be difficult to discern from a table or other chart types. Next, it enhances the communication. Map charts are an effective way to communicate insights to stakeholders and decision makers, as they are visually engaging and can convey complex information in a concise and accessible format. Next is the interactivity. So Excel map charts can be interactive with features like zooming, and filtering, allowing user to explore the data at different levels of detail and focus on specific region of interest. Now let us create a map chart in Excel. So click on the data, go to insert, click on maps, and then click on. Now you can expand the chart. You can customize the map chart. So you can add the chart title by clicking on the plus sign. You can also add the data labels. You can either keep the legend or remove the legend. So darker the color, that means higher the revenue. The lighter the color, less is the revenue. So now we'll change the chart title. We'll call this as sales by country. We can also change the color scheme. So if we click on the brush icon, you have the option to select the color. You can select any of the color palettes. I'll just keep it at the default. You can also change the style of the map by selecting or hovering over any particular style that you prefer. I'll leave it at the default. Excel has a built-in geographic data type. So let us go back to Excel. You can change the country to geographic data type. So if you select all the countries, go to data, and you can make this as geography. And now you see the data type is converted to geography. Now the geographic data types helps you to extract the information of that particular country. So if you want to extract any particular information such as birth rate, the capital, CPI change, currency code, you can extract all this information when you convert this data into a geographic data type. So let's say if I want to find out the abbreviation, I can just simply click on this, and this will create the abbreviation for that particular country. In this case, it's Bangladesh. This is where the geographic data type comes in handy. Let's discuss how you can use the chart editing feature. So we can move this map chart into its own sheet. So if we click on this chart, click on chart design, click on move chart, and then we can select new sheet. This will create its own map sheet or map chart sheet. Now if I click OK, it will create a new tab with just the chart inside. Let's say if you want to highlight any particular country, you can just simply select on that country and you can assign a new color. Let's say if you want to highlight Russia, for example, you can select any color. So I'll select yellow, or I'll select a different color. Let me select gray, or let me select yellow. So this way, if you want to convey a message about a particular country, you can just easily highlight and change the color. To create a compelling and informative map charts, consider following tips and best practices. Firstly, you want to use the clear and concise labels, titles, and legends to help ensure that your audience understand the map chart, what it represents. Avoid using jargons or technical terms that may confuse or alienate the readers. Next, you want to choose colors that are easy to distinguish and appropriate for your data. Use a sequential color scheme, such as from light to dark. Also, you want to customize the appearance of your map chart, matching with your branding or presentation style. So you want to use fonts, colors, and design elements that are consistent with your overall visual identity. Also, next is you want to test the map chart with the sample audience to get feedback and clarity. Use their input to refine your design and messaging to iterate until you have a map chart that is effectively communicates your insights and derives action. So there you have it, your tutorial on mastering Excel map charts. And before you go, I have a special offer for you. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to dive deeper into mastering Excel, check out my free Excel course. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And drop in the comments below what is your use case for using Excel map charts.